Tragedy strikes Zimbabwean music scene. Sundara maestro Tatenda Pinjisi passes away. The Zimbabwean music fraternity is in mourning after the untimely passing of renowned Sundara musician, Tatenda Pinjisi. Pinjisi succumbed to injuries sustained in a fatal road accident on Friday, which claimed the lives of 3 other individuals, including 2 of his band members. According to reports, the accident occurred when Pinjisi's vehicle was involved in a collision, resulting in the instantaneous deaths of his 2 band members and a lady who had requested a lift. Pinjisi himself was rushed to a hospital in Harare, where he received treatment for his injuries. Unfortunately, he could not recover and passed away, leaving behind a trail of grief and shock. Tatenda Pinjisi was a celebrated figure in Zimbabwe's Sundara music scene. His music had touched the hearts of many, and his passing has sent shockwaves throughout the industry. Fans, fellow musicians, and well-wishers are mourning the loss of a talented artist whose life was cut short in its prime. As news of Pinjisi's passing spreads, tributes and condolences are pouring in from across the music industry. Fans are sharing their favorite memories and songs by the late musician, while fellow artists are paying tribute to his legacy and impact on Zimbabwean music. Tatenda Pinjisi's passing serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of cherishing every moment. His music will live on, and his legacy will continue to inspire future generations of musicians and music lovers. Rest in peace, Tatenda Pinjisi. Your music will never be forgotten.